I am excited to introduce you to AI Code Mentor, an extension I developed to solve pain points faced by developers. Let's talk about it. Imagine you're working on a piece of code, trying to understand what it does. You search online for an explanation and end up opening multiple tabs. After some point, you are not sure whether you are on the right track. Sounds familiar? This frustrating, time-consuming process is exactly what AI Code Mentor aims to solve. With the power of AI, understanding code becomes simple, clear, and accessible all within the browser. Here's how it works. Say you want to learn about breadth first search algorithm in Java. You end up getting this piece of code. When you're walking through each lines of code, you come across new terminologies. You try to search for that new terminologies. And then you come back to the code. And then when you're going through next line piece of code, you're not able to understand the code and end up doing a new search for that piece of code. Here is how AI Code Mentor can help with this pain point. When we come across a code which we cannot understand, all we have to do is select the code snippet, right click and click on the explain code option from the context menu. The selected code snippet will be pasted in the custom extension, and on click of explain button, a complete explanation of the AI code will be generated. While it's working on to get the explanation, let's see the key features of AI Code Mentor. The key features are to explain the purpose of the code, give clear step-by-step explanation of the code snippet, potential use case to demonstrate the practical use of the code, who benefits from this code, and how common mistakes or pitfalls, misuse of libraries. And here is the explanation generated by AI. It first lists the purpose of the code, explanation of each line of code for a clear understanding for programmers, common mistakes and pitfalls, and finally a conclusion of what the code does. AI Code Mentor can work on multiple languages like Python, Java, Go. With AI Code Mentor, there's no need to jump between tabs or piece together conflicting information. Everything you need is right at your fingertip. AI Code Mentor. Understand code easily. Try it out and let me know what you think. Happy coding. Thank you.